In this video, we are going to discuss most asked Selenium interview questions. So, let's get started. What are the different components of Selenium? Selenium consists of four main components. Selenium IDE, Integrated Development Environment. A browser plugin for recording and playing backtests. Selenium WebDriver, an API for automating web browsers using programming languages. Selenium Grid, a tool that allows the parallel execution of tests across multiple machines and browsers. Selenium RC, Remote Control. Deprecated, was used for automating browsers before WebDriver was introduced. What is the difference between Selenium WebDriver and Selenium RC? Selenium WebDriver provides a more straightforward and efficient way to interact with the browser and does not require a server. It is faster and works directly with the browser. Selenium RC requires a server to run the tests. It works by injecting JavaScript code into the browser to perform actions, making it slower compared to WebDriver. What are the advantages of using Selenium WebDriver? Cross-browser support works with multiple browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Internet Explorer. Cross-platform compatibility can be run on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Supports multiple programming languages, Java, Python, C#, Ruby, etc. No need for a server. Unlike Selenium RC, WebDriver interacts directly with the browser. Parallel test execution can be integrated with Selenium Grid for running tests on multiple machines simultaneously. What is the difference between find element and find elements in Selenium? Find element. This method is used to find a single element on the web page. It returns a web element object. If the element is not found, it throws a no such element exception. Find elements. This method is used to find multiple elements matching a given locator. It returns a list of web element objects. If no elements are found, it returns an empty list. What are the types of waits in Selenium? There are three types of waits in Selenium. Implicit wait automatically waits for a specified amount of time before throwing a no such element exception if an element is not found. Explicit wait waits for a certain condition to be true before proceeding further. It is used for specific elements. Fluent wait, a type of explicit wait with the ability to specify the frequency with which the condition should be checked. What are some common WebDriver methods used in Selenium? Get opens a URL. Get title retrieves the title of the current page. Get current URL retrieves the URL of the current page. Get page source gets the source code of the current page. Quit closes the browser and ends the session. What are the different types of locators used in Selenium? Selenium provides several types of locators to find elements on a web page. ID, unique identifier for an element. Name, element identified by its name attribute. XPath, a query language to locate elements using XML paths. CSS selector, locates elements by their CSS selector. Link, text, locates a link element using its exact text. Tag name, locates elements by their tag name. How do you handle pop-ups in Selenium? In Selenium, you can handle pop-ups, alert boxes, confirmation boxes, etc., using the alert interface. Accept the alert, dismiss the alert, retrieve alert text, send keys to the alert. These are just a few of the most common questions, but they should help you understand core Selenium concepts for interviews.